The right light can help you start your day with a boost of energy. You can set the Philips Hue lights to the perfect light for studying. And when it's finally time to relax, the right light can make reading a good book even more enjoyable. With one click, you can transform your space into a sanctuary, so you can unwind and let the stress of the day melt away as you prepare for sleep.
The Sengled Multicolor Smart LED light bulbs.
You'll find that this lighting is literally a fraction of the price of major competitors, but give you all the features that you need.
It comes with 2 multicolored bulbs and the hub.
It's super easy to set up in the Sengled Home app. These hubs come with these kits, and you'll more than likely only need one hub because it can connect over 60 lights, I believe.
The hub gives you the ability to use their application no matter where you're at, and also lets you link it to the voice assistant of your choice. So if you have Amazon Echo or Google Home.
So you can actually tell Alexa, hey Alexa, turn off the lights, and automatically shuts down. The cool thing about Sengled light bulbs is that they have 16 million colors and thousands of color temperatures that you can choose from.
I can turn them on and off. I can dim them all the way to 10%. The app is really simple and easy to use. It's not too complicated.
I can also go over to scenes, and what a scene is allows you to do multiple actions in one button press. So for example, I can say, you know what, turn off the kitchen light, turn off the bedroom light, but turn on the lamp downstairs, and I can do that in scenes. So it's really nice to set up some automation right inside the application without having to know any type of crazy coding or anything like that. You literally just tap and select what you want, make the changes, and then save it. Very smooth.
So if you're not trying to break the bank and you want some quality smart home lighting, then give Sengled a try.
Alexa, turn on bedroom lights.
Okay.
Alexa, turn bedroom lights purple.
Okay.
Alexa, dim lights to 40%.
A few things share the name lights. Which one did you want?
Bedroom.
Okay.
Alexa, turn off bedroom lights.